welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 3 of our beautiful, soft and dreamy jacket project. In today's video, we're going to decorate this together and added new detail for my jacket. In the video linked on the screen, I previously showed you how to decorate the jacket using puffy flowers. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure to check it out. Today I'm going to teach you a super cute and easy technique to create little hearts on your jacket. To do this, simply cut 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. Cut 3 loops from your Alize Puffy yarn. Then insert those loops through the 3 points I'm showing you right here. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video and leave me a comment. Your support means a lot to me and I love to hear from you. Now watch my hands carefully and follow along as I wave the loops through one another like this. The final step is very simple. We cut the last loop. Bring it to the back of the project. If you like an even stronger hold, you can carefully secure it with a lighter. And that's it. With this easy technique, you can add lots of adorable little hearts to your project. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful and unique design as much as I did. Don't forget to share my channel with your friends and check out my other videos for more creative ideas. Don't forget to share my channel with your friends. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all and I see you in the next video. Bye.